Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Monterey Park local and long distance movers near me. Relocating a long distance from your current home is stressful. Maybe you landed a new job or you're moving closer to family. No matter the reason, the right long distance moving company can help. We offer all the necessary services to get you across the country or just to the next state over. Our moving services also include all of the following: packing and unpacking, supply you packing materials, and transparent prices. When you choose a California moving company, you get more than just a few people to help load up a truck. You get a team ready to provide you with all the benefits of hiring a local moving company. Our movers will make sure you save time and you get an efficient move. On moving day, 3 movers will streamline the entire process for you. We will provide you with professionals ready to help you get settled in faster. We take your 3-day move and get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Monterey Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.